it's me, Annalisa Nyambura, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, welcome on board. And so today we are just going to do a very short video. It's like not a daily routine, no, it's an very easy tutorial. And today we are going to church, so not literally, but I'm just doing a church look, a church makeup. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah, so let's just start. So step one is the routine. We're going to start with the eyebrows. Then I'm going to clean my eyebrows using this concealer, and I'm placing it right here. Then this is the brush I'm going to use to clean my eyebrows. Then the rest, the remaining concealer, I'm just going to apply on my lids for some little eyeshadow. I'm going to blend in the concealer on my lids using this brush. This is the brush I'm using. Then the next step is eyeshadow. Today I'll start off with Madagascar. This. Then the next shade that I'm going to use is a brown shimmer shade. I don't think it's gold, it's just brownish. So the shade that is right next to it. And that's it with our shimmer shade. Then I'm going to go in again with the brown just to blend everything in, to blend them so that I don't have like harsh lines. So now the next step is we're going to apply mascara on my lashes. We're not going to do falsies today. I'll stick to natural lashes, but I'm going to try and lengthen them. Then the next step is I'm going now to use a black mascara. Now the next step is my face. I'm going to be using this my favorite primer. That is enough primer. I don't need more. Then foundation. I'm going to blend it using this beauty sponge stroke beauty blender, and as always I dip it in water just to make it wet and a bit fluffier. That's it. So the next step is just highlighting. I'm going to mix these two concealers to do my highlights. Then I'm going to set the highlight using this Beauty Creation setting powder. Then the next step is contouring. I'm using this Eva Beauty compact powder. The next step, before I set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in just to give my face a little bit of some nice color. I'll line my waterline with this blue eyeliner. Under that, I'm going to go in with this brown shade. Then I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lashes. I'll be using this mascara, T-A-R-T-E, Tarte, I think, Tarte mascara. With that, I'll now set the rest of my face using this, again, my normal compact powder, Elegal Pro Face. Then I'm just going to highlight my face. I'm going to be using Snatched today. It's a deep gold or a deep brown shimmer shade. The next step is lippy. We are going to go with a maroon. This is what we use today. Huda Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Nemo. So as I wait for it to dry up, I'm going to set my face. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. I really appreciate you guys following me, for subscribing, for asking for more videos. It really motivates me, and it makes me happy that I give you some awesome looks that make you happy too. And I hope you'll get busy during this quarantine trying out some of my looks. Yes, so always, as I always repeat, stay safe, because we all need you out here. Yes, and stay positive, stay happy. I love you, and see you on my next video. Bye guys.